Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your screen PC or the PC monitor on using the OBS. So first you need to install the OBS Studio, and after installing it you will see this sources option here. Click on this plus icon and here you'll find the option called display capture. Click on this and you can change anything to it. I'll just set as display capture. Click OK, and after that select your monitor. This is my primary monitor. Click OK. And as you can see, it's going to select all the things from my screen and click OK. And now as you can see, if I click on this start recording, it will start to record my PC. So if you have issue with your audio here, like you don't see this going up and down green here with the audio, just go to settings option, click on this audio and make sure to select the mic auxiliary audio, the microphone that you're using. For me, it's the default microphone from the laptop, so I'll choose this. And if you want to see where's the video is going to store in your PC, just click on this output and here you'll find the recording path here, and you can change the path from here. Just click on browse and you can select a folder to save your file. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.